Eating avocados day to day can give various medical advantages because of their rich supplement profile. Here are benefits. But before that, I request all my new friends to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every new video of ours reaches you first. 1. Heart well-being. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which can assist with bringing down terrible cholesterol levels and diminish the gamble of heart disease. 2. Nutrient-rich. They are loaded with nutrients and minerals, including nutrients K, E, C, B6, folate, and potassium. 3. Healthy processing. The fiber content in avocados supports absorption and keeps a sound gut. 4. Weight. The high fiber and solid fat substance can assist you with feeling full longer, possibly supporting weight management. 5. Skin well-being. The nutrients and solid fats can assist with further developing skin well-being and give a characteristic glow.